Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of new free traffic, which launched on the 20th of February at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release from James Renouf and James Kennedy, which brings you a new, pure, most dominant source of free traffic at your fingertips. Now, this team specializes in what are known as blind launches. And new free traffic is another one. Now, a blind launch essentially means that there's no review copies available, and I cannot tell you the actual nature of this product. So hence this is going to be a shorter review than normal. There's no members area to show you. All I can do is give you a product description, and you can make a judgment on whether you want to check out this new free traffic source. Now, this is always the case with James and his launches. They're always very successful launches, and the feedback for their products is generally good, but it's just the format that they use for selling. They use a blind selling method, which means that there are no review copies or additional product information available. So with that said, let's get on with this review. If that sounds of interest to you, I am actually going to sweeten the pill by giving you lots of other free traffic sources. So if it so happens that you don't get on with James and Jeremy, sorry, I think I called him James Kennedy, it's Jeremy Kennedy, sorry Jeremy. If you don't get on with James and Jeremy's method, then there'll be plenty in my bonuses which will ensure that you get an endless supply of free traffic anyway, so don't worry about that. But anyway, to get your copy of new free traffic, click on the link underneath, and that'll bring you through to this bonus page where you can check out my 5 custom bonuses. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point it will expire. As usual, I don't want that to happen, folks, because they're exclusive to me, these bonuses. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what other people are offering with their copies of new free traffic. This went live yesterday. It's already sold over 250 copies, so it's a very popular release. Because you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special. So let's check out new free traffic. We've got a sales video from James Renouf here, which is also on my bonus page, which you should watch. The absolute newest, purest, most dominant source of free traffic is about to be at your fingertips. And the price for this is a low front end price, folks. It is $11.67. All right, so we will come back to the sales page because that's going to be the main thing I can show you. In fact, it's pretty much the only thing I can show you, but I can show you my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. What's new free traffic all about? Well, you can get free traffic without a following, without needing to sell anything, without having a list, without needing a website, without having to pay for ads, with absolutely no money out of pocket apart from the front end, and with zero experience. And the sales video is there. So what am I going to give you when you pick up new free traffic? Well, first I'm going to give you my flagship traffic course, Tigers Traffic, which gives you 10 free sources of organic traffic that you can tap into anytime. With this course, you will never struggle for traffic again, folks. It's a course that I sold just at the end of last year. Everyone that took it out, or the feedback was very good. People love this course and they love the methods of traffic and the fact that they don't have to pay for traffic anymore. So that is my flagship Tigers Traffic course. I'm also going to give you 4 free website traffic super hacks. Again, more sources of free traffic that you can tap into. And there's more, folks. The third bonus is 2 super traffic hacks for newbies. So if you're brand new to all this, you're looking for great sources of traffic, then you can use this. More of a longer term one, this, folks. I'm going to show you how you can build up to get 1 million website visitors in 1 month at any website. This is a plan that you put in action over several months. It will take you about 5 to 6 months to hit that 1 million figure, but you'll be building your totals of visitors each month exponentially as you go along. And if you're looking for a faster fix than that, then my final bonus, how to get 100,000 visitors in 1 hour. 100,000 website visitors in an hour by doing this crash course. So loads and loads of sources, as much traffic as you can possibly want there, folks, in my bonuses. So even if you don't get on with the new free traffic method, then there's plenty there for you, providing you have picked up my package of bonuses. So let's just head back to the sales page. There's James and Jeremy. Look at some of the traffic going on. So this is people watching live in this method, people watching you sit in your living room and not saying anything. Great. 49,848. This one, 18,600 people watching this guy play his guitar. 18,700 watching this guy with the donation button for Bitcoin with this tag. Interaction, if you want interaction and you know, with other users. These screenshots are just a few examples of this crazy free new traffic. So often products come out with rehashed material. They show strategies you're well aware of. Today you gain access to something so new and hot it's still in beta mode. You're discovering the secret to a traffic behemoth, extremely new and powerful. We've not been so excited in years. We're talking about a bona fide source that gets over 1 billion views a month, 1 billion views. With the literal push of a finger, you're propelled into a new world where the traffic flows and the opportunity abounds. You have to strike while the iron's hot. There's nothing newer and hotter than this right now. With the new free traffic system, you discover how to get in front of an unreal amount of live traffic instantly. Push a single button and be in front of tens of thousands of people instantly. No competition in this method. Price is going up on a dime sale, so it's $11.67 now. It may be a few cents more by the time you click on the button. And that, folks, as I said, it is your call on this one. Don't forget you've got all of those additional bonuses from me. It is a blind sale, so as I said, you have to make a call on whether you are going to give this one a go. But as I said, it's selling very well, and James and Jeremy's previous products have all done very well. Again, there are 2 upsells, which I also can't tell you anything about. You'll have to have a look at the sales pages. The first upsell is $27, and the second upsell is $19. And that is pretty much that, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all of my additional bonuses here, then all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page, where you obviously click on the buy now button, and then that will bring you back into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of new free traffic, and click on the blue button to access all those traffic related bonuses of mine. And that is pretty much it, folks. I said it would be a quick one. I'm not going to give this a rating because I'm not in a position to make a value judgment. What I will say is that James and Jeremy's products have been very popular in the past and have proven to be very good products with a very minimal refund rate. So that being said, you know, if you want to take a punt on this, you are probably going to end up with a pretty good product, but that call is entirely yours. I'm not making a recommendation on this one. And with that said, all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click the subscribe button underneath and you'll be informed every time I bring a new recording out. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of new free traffic.